Sanibonani bafethu, ngibe nenye update la about uPitso Mosimane okungenzeka agcine coach weBafana Bafana. Now uzokhumbula ukuthi uHugo Broos usephumile as ucoach weBafana Bafana, so bebebheka omunye umuntu ukuthi ngubani abangamthola. So igama likaPitso livelile ke no Danny Jordan washo ukuthi bayamsupporta uPitso. So kuthiwe ke makukhulunywa kuhlalwa phansi kulungiswa indaba yemali, uzokhumbula ukuthi uPitso akahambi yedwa, uhamba neteam yakhe. Kwavela ukuthi bafuna ukumnikeza u5 million ngonyaka. So kusho ukuthi leyo 5 million sothatha sohlukanise ngenyanga, so leyo mali sibeka ku 416,000 kanye namaniki eceleni. Now leyo nto leyo isusa ukukhuluma okukhulu kakhulu, because abanye abantu bafila ngazi ukuthi isafa idelela uPitso, but at the same time abanye abantu bafile as if uyayideserve le mali because of i-track record yakhe. So enye ezinye reports ikhona nje newspaper ekuthiwa The South African ikhuluma ngendaba yokuthi kukhona enye offer uPitso azoyithola ka 10 million, of which ke manje sekuthiwa uhola u10 million, that means kuzomela si-add omunye u400 kule mali. So that means ngonyaka, ngenyanga uzobe sathola imali engango 833,000 kanye namasenti eceleni. So obviously le mali ibuye ngathi imali enkulu kakhulu, and noPitso kubonakala ngazuthi ayimgcolisi le mali, because uzokhumbula ukuthi uPitso akuyena lo coach owashiya iBafana ngo2012, ungumuntu obuya ne-experience. Useke wathatha iMamelodi Sundowns ngo2016 wayewinisa i-CAF Champions League, futhi ngo2020 nango2021 beka coach i-Al Ahly, and wathatha i-Al Ahly yayowina i-Champions League finals, kanjalo nase-Iran nase-EAU. Nje konke nje i-CV yakhe singasho ukuthi i-CV ekhuluphele enenyama. So kwabanye abantu akaunderstandeke manje ukuthi kwenziwa yini ukuthi uPitso ene-experience engakaphinda abe-South African anikwe imali encane, kodwa laba abangawona ama-South Africans banikwe imali enkulu engale phezulu. Now ngifuna nje ukuthi sike sigxile kakhulu kuPitso before sifocuse kwabanye. Ake sithi-ke manje uyanikwa le mali, ake sithi uyayivuma le mali anikwa u5 million ngonyaka, okusho ukuthi kuzomele sikhumbule ukuthi le mali le ibalwa before tax. That means uSARS azothatha into yakhe khona lapha kulo 5 million. So akazothatha ku5 million, but uzothatha njalo ngenyanga uma uPitso ehola. So if ke ake senze nje example ngalo 10 million, ukuthi ake sithi le offer iyagcina iu10 million, uzothola 10 million after 12 months, or imali yakhe izogcina isingango 12 million after 12 months. And uPitso usesomuntu o less than 65, that means usafola under i-tax ethile yabantu abaholayo. So okusho ukuthi ke manje mase simbalela kahle kulo 10 million uzodivide ngo12, and uma udivide ngo12 uzothola lo 833,000 ade kumusho, then bese ukhipha i-tax kaPitso, and i-tax yakhe kule mali le izoba u358,000. So you can imagine ukuthi imali ade ibhaliwe ukuthi uzoyihola u833,000, but manje mawusuthatha i-tax uthatha 358,000 namaniki eceleni. That means uPitso imali ezobe seyihola ukuye ekhaya uma ehola u10 million ngonyaka uzothatha imali engango 474,000, of which ke manje kubuye ngazuthi imali engekho enough, because uzokhumbula ukuthi uHugo Broos beka leyo mali leyo bekuyishintshi kuye, but kuPitso kubuye ngazuthi imali ekumele ahambe nayo aye ekhaya, so ibuye ngathi ayikho fair. Even nakule 5 million ake sithi gcina iyaphasa idili ka5 million, kusho ukuthi sothatha lo 5 million kaPitso sewudivide ngeinyanga eziwu12 okusinikeza u416,000. So siphinde sikhiphe imali ye-tax ke lapho, mhlambe angangikhoshwa ngiyena umuntu akade we-tax kahle kahle, ngifuna ukwenza ngathi manje ngongcwesta kwinto ze-tax, but ake imagine nje ngokwe-maths engiyaziyo ukuthi kule 416,000 uSARS mayithatha into yakhe uzothatha imali engango 171,000 ngenyanga. So lokho kusho ukuthi uPitso uzomshiya nemali engango 245,000 namaniki eceleni ngenyanga. So uyabona ukuthi le mali as much as ibona ngathi inkulu, but incane uma ucompare imali kade ayihola kwezinye indawo. So that's why abanye abantu befeeling ngazuthi uPitso uyadelelwa, abanye abantu bafeel as if uyayideserve le mali because of i-record lakhe. Abanye bakhala ngokuthi uza ne-favoritism, kuzoba khona ama-player athandwayo, kuzoba khona ama-player angathandwa. Nje yonke lento le ngisazoke ngiwafake nama-comments la sike siwafunde uzibonele wona ukuthi ahamba kanjani. Now amanye ama-report athi uPitso ngesikhathi seselapha kwiMamelodi Sundowns bekahola better even nale offer bamnike yona, because ikhona nje i-newspaper ade ngiyifunda ekuthiwa i-Times Live ithi uPitso kwiMamelodi Sundowns bekenza imali engango 1,055,000 ngenyanga. So you can imagine ukuthi imali eningi kangakanani to le mali anikwa yona manje kwilontuza kwiBafana Bafana. So that means ngonyaka kwiMamelodi Sundowns uPitso bekenza boma 18 million namasenti kuya ngala. So imali enkulu kakhulu leyo for ukuthi ungasuka kuyo then bese uyadropa uze emalini encane, but at the same time mele siphinde sikhumbule uPitso akakawuthola umsebenzi, so we don't know kwenzakalani. So yonke lento leyo iyasibonisa ukuthi neside likaPitso banezinto ezivalid abazilwelayo. Now uma sike sicompare nje uPitso simcompare namanye ama-coach akabamba i-position ayibambile nayo, uzokhumbula ukuthi sike saba nama-coach a-different kwiBafana Bafana. Ngifuna nje ukuthatha ama-coach awu-5 abamba iBafana Bafana. Uzokhumbula ukuthi sake saba no-Shakes Mashaba, saba no-Gordon, saba no-Pitso Mosimane, saba uCarlos, saba no-Santana. Ngifuna nje sibuke lawo ma-coaches lawo. uSantana according to iSowetan, le newspaper ekuthiwa iSowetan, ithi ngenyanga bekahola 1.4 million. uCarlos Alberto yena bekahola 1.8 million ngenyanga. uPitso Mosimane 2012 bekahola 800,000. Then kube uGordon akade ehola 450,000 ngenyanga. Then kube uShakes Mashaba owayehola 500,000. So if uyabheka ke manje ukuthi ukuhamba kaPitso bekahola imali enkulu, so kunzima ukuthi angathi abuye sehola imali encane. It doesn't make sense in terms of numbers, because if nanikwazi ukumnika u800,000 kuqala, that means kumele phela mase sebuye kwesibili and manje sebuye ne-experience nama-wins athile nokuprove i-record lakhe outside of South Africa. Kumele ukuthi at least noko manje abuye esehlonipheka, ebuye imali isingaphezulu, not ukuthi iphinde yehle leyo mali le. It doesn't make sense. Khumbula-ke ukuthi uPereira ngesikhathi coach weBafana Bafana wayebizwe because iSouth Africa yayipreparishela ukuthi ilungiselele i-World Cup yango-2010. And ukuza kwakhe uza njengomuntu owayewine i-World Cup kanye neBrazil. So leyo experience leyo yayicounta kakhulu ukuthi makasondele, but unfortunately iSouth Africa izange ithole indebe yomhlaba 2010. So ngizama ukubonisa nje ukuthi when you decide isalary yomuntu uyayibeka ne-experience yakhe ukuthi njani. So if uPereira wathola isalary enkulu because of ukuwina i-World Cup neBrazil but azange ayiwine neSouth Africa, kunoko kumele ukuthi lezo zinto ziconsiderishwe uma kunikwa uPitso i-final offer. So and again if uyabheka uJoel Santana naye it was the same thing. Yena ke angazi noma ngizothi ukuthola kwakhe le mali enkulu was because warecommendwa i-previous coach or yini inkinga, but naye wayehlela ku-1.4 million ngenyanga. So yonke lento le iyasibonisa ukuthi i-experience bayiconsiderishile la before benikeza umuntu something. So uPitso unayo into yakhe naye, asazi ukuthi bazoyiconsiderisha ukwedelelana mhlawumbe ngenxa ukuthi isikhumba somuntu omnyama, asazi. Ngifuna nje sike sifunde ama-comments la and then siyivalele video just ukubheka ukuthi abantu bathini baza experience abathini. Now ngifuna sike sibuke lama comments abantu ekade ngiwabona ku-Twitter, abantu bekhomenta ukuthi bafila njani ngokukhala kaPitso about le mali abamnikayo. Nabanye ke I don't want to lie, bajabulile ukuthi uPitso akawuthola umsebenzi, abanye ke based ukuthi akawuthola umsebenzi. Ngifuna nje siqale nganansi i-tweet kaMdlombango kaThomas. Uthi SAFA wants to pay Pitso and his 3 assistants 5 million. The very same SAFA paid Hugo Broos 1.4 million plus 70,000 monthly for accommodation. SAFA must stop disrespecting Pitso. Pitso's accomplishments are unmatched in this continent. Now, so uyambona ukuthi ungumuntu ongekho happy ukuthi uPitso unikezwa imali encane because of i-record analo apha eSouth Africa. Now, abantu bakommentile ke kule post yakhe ngaphansi. Kungena lana The Mileman uthi, I'm happy if he declines. I don't want him in that seat is the reason Bafana declined. So uyabona ukuthi lona usabamile ngo-2012 ukuthi uPitso uyo owenza iBafana ibe weak, ibe i-team enga-achieve izinto. So that's why angekho happy. uBhuti Malume uthi, what has he achieved as a national coach? So ubuza umbuzo laphana, and if uyabheka abawu-77 abantu abalike leya post, angazi noma ngizothi in this case ukulike kwabantu kuvumelana naye yini lo uBhuti Malume okanjani, but uyabona ukuthi bakhona abantu abangekho happy ngokungena kukaPitso kuyo yonke lento le. Nangu omunye uPablo phayana uthi, Pitso is just a loud-mouth, self-grandiose coach who was given a fair chance. I hope SAFA gave clear terms and conditions, starting with the period of the contract and specific clauses. Pitso must first prove that he can deliver before we can sign off on any higher salary. So uyabona noPablo ukuthi uskeptical akamthembi kahle uPitso ukuthi uyayideserve yonke lento le njengoba edemanda zonke into azidemandayo. Instead usuggest ukuthi uPitso makaqala aziprove ukuthi this time around uza noshintsho before singamnika ithuba. Uhayina aphayana uthi they could make more of a serious offer like that, or like at least 700k and still save a lot. I think they fear setting the bar high for locally sourced coaches. Pete still has lots to prove, so I wouldn't say 1.4 mil, but brings lots of local experiences. It's not the same Pete of first time. I think enye point ebalekile ayiraise le uhayina ukuthi as much as uPitso engavumelana ukuthi ufuna imali enkulu kakhulu because usaba ukuthi uzovula indlela for amanye ama coach ukuthi uma ngena athi nani kuPitso imali engaka so nami ngifuna yona or engaphezulu. So uphinde uyasho nokuthi uPitso akusase lo Pitso akudala, lo uPitso owamanje and une experience. So bengifuna nje ukubonisa nje ukuthi abantu bafila njani about uPitso. Nangomunye uKing Mkoloba laphana uthi Pitso has no national team experience. His last attempt was a disaster, qualifying Bafana not even for AFCON. So uyabona ukuthi kukhona abantu abangekho happy laphana. Nale umzilikazi Kumalo uthi the curriculum vitae usho CV yakhe should speak for you when you argue your salary. You guys overrated this speed, so he must prove himself. So uyabona nje ukuthi abantu abaningi abana ukumthemba uPitso. Ngeke ngithi abantu abaningi because ngenza example ngabantu abancane. I'm sure when you go to TikTok, Twitter, Facebook or YouTube, abantu bakhuluma into ezi different. So I thought I should show you nje ukuthi abantu bafila njani about yonke lento kaPitso. Hoping ke kodwa ukuthi at the end of the day uPitso uzokwazi ukuthi athole ispan because unekhaya nale kumele alondlile. Whether usithola ku-Kaizer Chiefs or any team, as long as esebenza nje kuphela aziprove. Mina personally, this is my opinion. Bengangijabulisa kakhulu ukuthi uPitso azithole esecoacha i-team elocally but kube ukuthi usebenzisa yona ukuziprove because lapha ngaphandle I'm not happy indlela treatwa ngayo ngakhona. I don't want to lie because ubamba contract uyayeka unlike coaches ase Europe abafike bazinike contract insane ethatha iminyaka emide kakhulu.